the judges of customary court of appeal.
On the 15th of February 2023, the Honorable Justice A.O. Ajileye, PhD, bowed out of the bench after years of meritorious service to Nigeria and the Kogi State Judiciary in particular. In partnership with eminent jurists, the Rule of Law Development Foundation, they hosted a public lecture titled The A to Z of the Regime of Electronic Evidence in Nigeria, Issues and Challenges, to kickstart a series of events.
Every electronic document is presumed to be authentic until the contrary is proved. And the onus of proving the authenticity is on the person who challenges it. So it is for me to just go to court and attempt to tender. The court prima facie will admit until it is challenged. And then somebody who can say that what I have tendered is not authentic is the one who will prove why it is not authentic.
Retired in the subject area where my lord is reckoned as an authority. Several legal luminaries pondered upon the mystery of the judiciary that judges like him are compelled by administrative order to take their highly sought-after expertise elsewhere.
This is a trip that started in 1992, and today it has come to an end. So I have accomplished that which God has committed into my hand, and I want to believe very faithfully and diligently to His glory.
My Lord is reputed to be one of the leading authorities on electronic evidence. His contribution to the jurisprudence cannot be ignored. I have earlier quoted it at the beginning of this. Permit me finally to comment on one burning issue, and I speak on behalf of the judiciary. That is their entitlement, their retirement, the money they are supposed to be paid. My Lord, I pray and I wish that upon retirement, you will not be asked to queue among pensioners like any other pensioner with less qualification than your lordship.
The iconic chief, Afe Babalola SAN, gave an insight into the situation with the past in an online version of Vanguard newspapers of June 3, 2021. And he had this to say, and I quote him, "In the 60s, when I began the practice of law, appointment to the bench was strictly on merit. Undoubtedly, the provision of the 1999 Constitution as to the appointment of judges and justices deeply encourages the politicization of this hallowed position," unquote. My prayer simply is that a day will come in Nigeria when the process of appointment of judicial officers will accord respect to merit and be made transparent to the whole world to see.
Government.
Justice Omolaye Ajileye is the author of the well-regarded book Electronic Evidence, which has been revised and reprinted 4 times, and author of over 70 articles and workshop papers on wide-ranging legal issues. A graduate of the prestigious University of Lagos, he also holds a Master's of Science in Criminal Justice with the specialization in terrorism, mediation, and peace, and a PhD in legal studies. It is not surprising that he is in high demand in lecture circuits in Nigeria and abroad. Nor is it surprising that he comes highly recommended among legal experts for his brilliance and courage in the adjudication of controversial cases.